Happy new month to everyone, and in today's video I'll be talking about two different bonus, forex bonus, which you can actually claim by following the steps which I'll be showing, and after that you get in the bonus. So two different bonus available. All you need to do is to pay attention, follow the steps, the process, and you'll be getting the bonus. Alright, so this video will be straight to the point, and for those who are joining the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and leave in the comment section any aspect of the video you don't understand, and I'll be here to give you I'll be here to help you solve it and give you the right process and how to go about it. So in today's video, once you click on the link I'll be adding to the comment section, and also the full details will be added to the description of this video, where you can actually click on links which should be taking you to the site. Now, firstly, for the first bonus right here, I'm sure most of us have seen this bonus. We must have gotten used to this bonus. This is flexi trade precisely what it makes most times every month. Now we've been having withdrawals from this bonus right here, and if you take a look at the screen, you can see the number of those who have registered and the number of people who have actually made withdrawal from this, which are actually 110. And you can see this right on the screen is our withdrawal from this bonus. Now you can see right here the process on how to get the bonus. So you click on, once you're logged into the site, you click on competition for those who have an account with them already. You click on competition right here among the options. And once you click on competition, you have this right here on the screen, which you can just click on this small box to agree to the terms and condition, and then click on enter competition. Now you can see right there, once you click on enter competition, you have to fill in these details right here by choosing which platform you want to use to trade the bonus. You can either select MT4 or MT5, and after that you'll be sent login details to your email. Now, for those who haven't created an account with them, I'll be showing you process and how to go about it also. But once you have actually selected the platform you want, you get an email just like this, having login details of your MT5 or MT4, depending on the trading platform you actually put for registration. Now, we have these login details, and now the next thing we need to do is to take the login details to our MT5 for to log in. And for those who don't have an account with them yet, once you click on the link, it brings you right here where you click on register, and after clicking on register, you'll be asked to fill in these details for personal information, and also you fill in the next details also. And after every details is being filled, you click on submit, and an account will be created on your behalf. A live account which you can actually just make deposits and start trading with them. They have actually have nice spread when it comes to trading with flexi trade. Now once you create an account with them, you create a live account, then you can actually now proceed to the process of joining a competition and then trading. Now you can see right there, I have shown the process on how to get the bonus, and you can see right here on my screen, there's a $50 bonus on the screen. So having this on the screen, we can now proceed to copy the login details to our MT5 to log in. Alright, so right here in the MT5, the name of the server are the same to our email. You put the name of the server, FlexiTrade server 01, and you put in your login details and your password. And after every details is being filled, you click on login. So immediately you click on login, you should be having the $50 just like this on the screen. To see mine right here, you should have $50 ready to trade. Now you can see right there, this is ready, and without wasting time, you can actually place trade right now because today when the weekend and market is closed for now. So by Monday, everything will be ready to start trading. Now for the other bonus, once you click on the second link in the description and also the second link in the comment section, you should be brought to this platform right here, this site, with something like this. Now I'll be showing you every single process you need to take. All you need to do, don't forget to pay attention and give this video a like I said earlier. Now right here, this is funded on this. This is a problem I've also made video about once before, and there have been people who actually got funded from this. They got life accounts after passing the process and steps. And with a simple rules, you can say right here, you'll be given a capital of 100k profile with a leverage of 1 if you want, and strategy, you can use any strategy with a duration of 4 weeks. Now, I'll be explaining the duration clearly to everyone, and the attempt, you can actually keep trying it anytime you blow the account, you can always get the account again and again. Now, if you take a look clearly at what you have on the screen, you can see two people got funded from those who actually use my referral link, my referral code. This is two people. Actually, I'm sure I actually have more than this referral, but most of them they actually use my code. So from those who actually use the code, we see we have two people who actually got funded from this firm. Now, the process on how to get it. So you click on the link which I'll be adding to the description. It brings you to their site right here, and then you see details like this on the screen. So without wasting time, you'll be asked to download their app by clicking on get funded at the top right here. It will take you to Play Store to download their trading app. Now, once you click on get started, you should find yourself straight under Play Store. So download their app and having it like this. After you're done downloading it, by the time you want to open, you'll be asked to fill in your details for registration. You'll be asked to register, and if you have actually opened an account with them, you can actually claim this bonus again. So it's unlimited. The trial is unlimited. You can keep trying it until you get funded and you can make withdrawal. There's also a withdrawal proof from this bonus. So if by chance you get funded, you actually need to take it serious so that you get funded with live accounts. So as I'm sure everyone understood every single process I explained in the video. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and then turn on your notification because it helps you get notified anytime I drop update on how to get 300% bonus to trade the forex market without actually risking your funds. Have a nice day, guys.